Welcome to Exhibits Today. This is Brother Hernan Falcon, a program that gives you an upcoming event, show, expo here, especially in the Philippines. On December 10, 7 p.m. at the Dusetani Hotel, there will be a meaningful and historic cause. The title of the show is The Era, The Healing Heart. And to explain furthermore about this concert, let's welcome the beautiful, our favorite. Lagi po natin siya nakakasama sa mga show, especially the Travel Madness. Let's welcome Maria Paz Alberto. Magandang araw po, ma'am.
Magandang araw, Hernan. It's nice to be with you again.
Yes, it's an honor.
We've always been discussing very significant
issues.
topics. So this is a very good. Thank you for the opportunity to explain why we're here. And of course, we want to invite everybody to a very good cause. And firstly, this project is being embarked on by Philippine Ayata Agents Travel Association, which I am the president of.
Yes.
And I am the chairperson of PATA Philippines chapter.
Yes.
So, Hernan, we actually thought of combining the two associations. Kasi this is a very meaningful, especially for all of us.
Yes.
With all the typhoons, earthquakes that happen in our country.
Yes.
And I thought, being a psychologist myself, so I thought of, let's say, marami nang nagbigay ng food. Meron silang temporary shelter. So what could we do as a big help to our kababayan who's been affected by the typhoon? Actually, I had a reunion with my classmate, and I met my classmate who is the head of Love Institute.
Love Institute.
Which is doing therapy for marriage counseling, but also for other, causes. And I asked them if they can do it with us. So parang importante kasi sa atin ngayon, Hernan, is to address the post-traumatic stress disorder. It's a syndrome that affects people who have experienced really traumatic events in their life. So in fact, like what happened in the flooding and typhoon,
earthquake,
parang buong pamilya nila naapektuhan.
Opo.
So what's the purpose of our concert is to do therapy for all the survivors. Kasi sabi ko nga, Hernan, there are 5 very significant things that need to be addressed. Kasi the people that encountered such a calamity and of course the death of their loved one, and then of course yung depression, di ba? It's very hard to forget what happened. Yung mga tao, di ba, nasa bubong, at saka there's always that negative emotion, fear, anger, hurt, guilt, and shame. Let's set politics aside because what we want...
Itabi na muna natin yan.
That's not important. What's important is actually to get these people to realize you have a purpose in life. Plus the fact that magpapasko na, Hernan.
Yes, and the meaning is love.
So yung ano natin is at least to give them hope kasi nga papamulat natin sa kanila.
Yung realization.
Yes.
Kasi after this thing, kailangan ma-realize nila yung what is the reason behind that.
So we will all, think of how to address that because this is the initial phase, Hernan. I and the therapists and counselors of Love Institute would really try our best to reach out to them.
And that's wonderful, ma'am, that you're going to reach them, bibigyan mo sila ng comfort and realization. Mararamdaman nila na may nagmamahal sa kanila.
Na meron silang importansya sa buhay natin dito as a Filipino. So, Hernan, really, I'm praying that this be a very successful concert of Lou Bonavie.
And other very well-known artists.
Yes, actually, Lou Bonavie invited her friends. Adto rin parang this is also her contribution to make the show a success. Let's say, Jessica, o meron dito si ano. You know what I mean?
70-80 ka, meron kami rito. Kompleto.
90, kompleto.
But this is not only happening na masaya, but there is a purpose of this concert. Hindi lang para magsaya tayo, makinig ng music, but this is a very historic and very meaningful concert, right, Pam?
Yun na nga ang sinasabi ko. Parang at least, kung hindi kayo makapanood, of course, lahat naman tayo busy. December na naman. Going to Christmas. So at least contribute, buy a ticket. Anyway, it's only 1,800. It covers a drink and a glass of wine. So I do hope that people will really learn how we can help each other. Kasi hindi porke Cebuano tayo, sila.
Ilocano ka, Pampanga niya.
Oo, dapat talaga isipin natin na Pilipino pa rin tayo.
Tama.
At ang pagmamahal natin sa isa't isa will be very, very important. Tapos, in fact, I have members from Cebu who are saying, ang dalas pa rin ng tremor. We will do our best to reach out to them.
And I think, ma'am, this project will, kumbaga, sa dami na na-experience po nila, but we conquer it by love and sharing.
Yes.
I think, yun ang magtatalo sa fear, sa anger, sa depression, yung dakilang pagmamahal ng proyektong ito.
Oo, yung ating, alam natin na importante sila. Of course, we don't want the things that happen to them.
Yes.
But what we do is just hope, and let's move on. Let's rise up, and for all you know, let's say the kids that got affected, you'll be able to help in your own way when you're grown up.
Paano po sila makakatulong, yung mga viewers po natin? Pwede po ba silang umago sapagkat December pa lang naman 1? So, how they can help? Lahat na nanonood sa atin and nakita nila yung advocacy nyo, ma'am. How can they help, ma'am? Paano po?
Mga fellow kababayan ko, if you have any extra funds to give for this project, because this is not a one-time, big-time thing.
Yes, this is a
continue po. So, kunya, let's say, may set na kaming dates for therapy for... But remember, these are 4 town cities in Cebu.
4 na bayan.
Plus, mayroon pa tayong Bogo. Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin, oh, magaling na ako. Huwag na kayong bumalik.
Hindi po.
If anyone can support us, we're very much hopeful that you will support the event by buying tickets for this concert and more. If you cannot watch it, you can be a sponsor for the show. You can call me anytime at 0917-585-2213. So we can give you facts on how you can sponsor and help our poor kababayan from Cebu.
Wow. So I'm calling all the Filipino people with a good heart. I think this project is very different to the other project. Kasi sabi nyo nga ma'am kanina na pinupuri naman natin yung mga nagbibigay ng mga pagkain. But I think this project will, ang target nito is yung internal, yung talagang lalim. Na yung puso ng mga tao at kaisipan po, i-correct po para maintindihan nila yung essence ng existing nila at ba't sila nabubuhay pa sa mundong ito. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
At syempre, hindi natin pwedeng kalimutan yung ating mga talaga naman tumayo para manindigan po sa inyong prinsipyo at sa inyong advocacy. Ang ating mga ilang partner na pwede nyo pasalamatan ngayon, ma'am. Address nyo po sila.
Hernan, I would like to send my deepest gratitude to you for, for arranging this interview so we get to reach more people.
Yes.
And of course, yung aming sponsors from PAGCOR. We are very grateful for the sponsor, for the help that you've given for us, Yata and Pata. Of course, Sabre, China Airlines, Philippine Airlines, Blue Water Resort in Cebu, Amadeus, Ralph's Wine, and of course, Cebu Pacific, and many more. So, hindi natin tutudukan yung sponsors because I'm sure we can still reach a lot of people who are watching the show so that they can come and contribute whatever.
Yes.
One ticket of 1,800 is enough. Parang, ano mo na ito regalo mo para dun sa ating a lot of people.
Yes.
Para ka lang kumain ng isang
meal.
Isang meal.
Sa isang magandang restaurant.
Yes.
Parang ang dating isang regalo, isang kaluluwa po ang inyong mabibigyan ng pag-asa at pagmamahal.
Ang ganda niya, Hernan. That's very nice.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Congratulations and hopefully on December 15 to 18 is the first therapy. Saan magaganap ito, ma'am?
Sa Cebu. Unahin natin ang Liloan.
Okay, so hintayin niyo po ang grupo ng kasama po natin, Ma'am Paz Alberto on Cebu for the first therapy po, December 15 to 18. Ma'am, thank you very much.
Thank you so
And
much.
we would like to thank our major sponsors, siyempre po, ang Bini Design, Swedish Design, UCI, at sa ngalan po ng aming executive producer. Ito po si Brother Hernan Falcon, always say, let's make love. Let's change the world with this kind of project. God bless you.